Welcome back, Saulius. So yeah, let's play in the last row 2017 Joe campaign. So let's continue. So we lost off ambulance vehicle. Yeah, about ambulance vehicle. Let's buy that one because it keeps the story. So I will try this one and feel. And yeah, this is a star bar, so you have to make her about stars. If you upgrade, that would be good idea, but the game's nearly impossible. Yeah, I know people. It's too hard grinding this game. Okay, man. Damn. Damn, it's too expensive. I'm going to max out a fuel gas. Why? Because I do not want to see keeps running out for this. If this happen, I swear to God this game, okay? Oh, man. Oh, damn. I will try buy this tires first. Why we need that one? Ugh, because the same thing problem. Well, I will upgrade engineer. Maybe we'll go idea. fuck, man. I need 5k. Oh, I need to pay her 5k. It's awkward to drive, man. Standard knows we have to drive off-road. Why? Because that will be good idea this game, okay? Damn. Let's buy protector. Why? Because this happening to stores a lot. If we lose that one, it's over, man. So I have to start over because there was no way, man. If impossible, you had full fuel gas without losing, and yeah, and also for sure there will be tanks, vehicles, and truck lobums on my vehicle. Yeah, that will be pain in my ass. So yes, stay tuned for that. Our next will be train stations, but I need to go there. But unfortunately, nearly impossible to finish this game. Yeah, I know. I need to buy. Okay, I will buy this train, and that's it. Okay. Without not good, we have to whiff because nearly impossible. Really? Oh, I got stuck. Stupid rock. Finally, we buy that one, and that's it. Okay, the final one, and that's it. Okay. You can turn on or you can turn off. In the last road, episode 1, you cannot turn off because you're turning on. Why? Because the game says it's too hard. Yeah, I would say yes. Yay, I did it, I made it. Yeah, we crashed the car, that means we have two train stations. Finally, so let's buy police. Yeah, so we know I hate this one not good, this one it's better police, but there was more armor vehicle. 112 he had 20 bonus armor, but the female campaign he had no bonus armor, nothing. And also I cannot buy Axe, but we still sucks. We need Axe that one. Next I will soon get Uzi or we'll soon down that weapon. And yeah, that would be cool, but unfortunately, so yeah, we beat hospital vehicle lobums. And yeah, this is a took forever attempt, keep dying a lot and same repeat. So I would say goodbye Saulius and see you tomorrow, okay? Have a good night and peace out. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And the last road 2017 Joe campaign about story his, okay? I will say goodbye Saulius and see you tomorrow, okay? I will say goodbye. Bye.